Well, hello YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's blog. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I want to talk to you about my life on YouTube and what I actually do for my channel itself and what is the best equipment to use. You just guys experiment on what you need to use, what type of computer, what type of camera, what type of hard drive, and also what type of memory cards. And I'm going to show you what I use every single day for my editing and stuff like that for this channel. I've been on YouTube for about 5 years now, and that's very, very awesome. I do like that. I make the content, I edit the content, and I upload it directly to YouTube. Before I edit it, I store it somewhere else instead of on my HP Pavilion G6 laptop computer. It is running Windows 7 Home Premium. It has a iCore 3 processor, 500 GB hard drive, 4 gigs of RAM, and that's the basics of this computer. It is kind of slow of trying to edit a very good 1080p video because sometimes this computer struggles of that because it can't produce that HD resolution. Sometimes I may have to render it in 720p or 1080i. It only depends on what this computer can handle. Let's talk about storage. This here is my hard drive here. This is a 2 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. This is what I use to store all my video files and everything else. Not anything from my computer here to this hard drive at all, because this is actually a 2-bay drive system, and it's actually a USB 2, not a USB 3. What can you use with all this? That's all up to you. One thing you're going to need to start out with, of course, a computer, storage device, and you're going to need a camera to start making videos like this one. This is a Kodak PIX Pro AZ 250 Kodak camera. This is my main camera. I retired my old one because it was having a lot of issues, and this is the one I actually use a lot because this has more of a wider lens, and this one is a pretty good camera. But again, camera equipment can be very expensive. You choose what camera you're going to use for your video producing needs. It only depends on what type of computer you want, Mac or PC. It doesn't much matter. Both computers can do that as well. It only depends on which one it seems right for you and more comfortable for you guys and girls to figure out which one's a lot better. But the important thing you're going to need: memory cards. This is actually a memory carrying case to put the memory cards in. I have two 8 GB, two 32 GB memory cards because this is what I actually use and produce everything on. But most of everything I use, this is my editing station right here. This is how everything produces, and I get that content out for you as well. It's going to turn on my laptop and wake it up actually, and do a dually code here. Make sure I put the right dually code in. And yes, this is Windows 7. Okay, there's nothing I can do with that. This is my main station. This is where I edit, and this is how I get everything out on the YouTube by using this main hard drive. This hard drive is essential of storing digital photos and videos if you want to do stuff like that as well. But I actually do have a video out right now. I don't have it posted yet. I still actually have to put a description, tag it, and also put some information about it and what I've been doing with this video as well. But yes, this is my YouTube channel. If you want to look it up, go for it. But like I said, it's a lot of issues with this computer. I already had about 2 crashes with this computer. I am looking to see what computer I can buy. I want to buy a new computer like a Mac or a PC. Don't know which one to go with. It only depends on what the budget is. I know Macs can be very expensive versus a PC, but a PC can be very expensive, the same exact same thing like a Mac as well. But yes, in the background, this light was actually blinking because the hard drive was collecting data and letting the computer seeing what she is and whatever. But this computer does have some of the horsepower it's going to need, but it doesn't have the horsepower for doing large video files in HT like 1080p or all the way up to 4K. This computer doesn't do that. It doesn't support that. It only pretends if you have a computer it can support 10K or 4K. It only pretends on what you want to do and produce that type of content. This is what I do for my channel. By the way, my channel is Chris Ube. If you look that up, that's totally fine. That's awesome and that's cool. Alright, I think I am done here. If you are going to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below on what I can show you more of this kind of tech stuff here. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys and girls. I'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Catch you later. Have a nice day.